Russian writer, a novelist, and a moral philosopher, and he is ranked as the one of the best writer in the whole world. And he's a moral philosopher. One of his writing has been awarded as the world's best writing and gained the most best award, the Nobel Award. He is remembered still now all over India, not only in India, all over the world. Isn't he?
Yes.
You told me to heard a story. What is that story?
I heard a story. Questions, answers, wise men's ministers.
Yes, I know the three questions. What is the most important time? Who is the most important person? What is the most important work or business?
Oh, it's three questions, right?
Yeah.
Even I too heard about it. But do you know the answers for these three questions?
No, I don't know.
Even I too don't know. Now let us call upon our 9th standard students to get knowledge about this one. Should we?
Asli, I am studying 9th standard. My character is King.
My name is Rakshita. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is Harnik.
My name is Padana. I am studying 9th standard and my character is bearded.
My name is Saundarya. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is First Wise Man.
My name is Pujita. I am studying in 9th standard. My character Wise Man.
My name is Amulya. I am studying 9th standard. My character is Third Wise Man.
My name is Sarsha. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is Wise Man.
My name is Divya. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is Wise Man.
My name is Shilpa. I am studying in 9th standard. My character name is Wise Man.
My name is Harika. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is Wise Man.
My name is Shweta. I am studying in 9th standard. My character name is Wise Man. My name is Sharanya. My character name is Wise Man.
My name is Nanika. I am studying 9th standard. My character name is Wise Man.
My name is Sushila. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is Wise Man.
This mother. I am studying 9th standard. My character is Wise Man.
Everybody, my name is Meghna Jess. I am studying in 9th standard. My character name is Messenger.
My name is Kavya. I am studying in 9th standard. My character is Bodyguard.
Rangers, fun and started. Come on guys, stand and rock it.
My dear ministers, what I have to do every fair in my life? There are three questions. What is the most important time? Who is the most important person? What is the most important business and studies?
I don't know. Now, the king will talk to the messenger about the spreading to all over his kingdom.
See, mister, I have three questions and I have to seek answers. Maybe I will never fail in my life. So go and spread it to whole kingdom. That the one who answers in my question, I will seek a large money. Go, I promise.
Okay, my name is Hey, all of you listen. The king had promised that he had three questions and he had made the answers. The one who answers the questions, they get large money and more rewards from the king. So all of you come and try to the answers. I know the answers.
Oh, all of you arrived. Come for a startup.
Here comes the first question for the first answer from the wise man to the king.
The first question is, what is the most important time? Tell me answer.
Dear Majesty, you must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly.
Oh, that was impossible. To decide advance right time, doing something, you know.
My lord, you need a council of wise men who could help you attack the proper
Oh, there will be some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council.
Necessary look into the future that only magicians could do that. Therefore, you have to choose magicians.
Now this is second question answers.
The second question answer is, who is the most important person? Tell me answer.
My lord, I suggest you a counselor who may help you in difficult moment.
Preamble and brave king, I said to get a priest. Namah Shivaya. That would by helping doing puja in your difficult time. So I choose priest. Namah Shivaya.
My lord, choose a doctor may who help you and treat you feel you are sick. If the king is healthy, the kingdom is healthy.
Yeah, yes.
My lord, choose a soldier who will protect you, and if you are the kingdom is so, choose a soldiers.
Now it is the third question. The king asked wise men.
The third question is, what is the most important business and works?
My lord, you have to attack Allah's kingdom.
My dear king, fight with your enemies and move on. Swayambha the king, brave her religion, worship, rise up religion.
Oh no, how many answers did the king get? How can he be satisfied from these many answers?
No, we are confused.
Even I am also confused. I am also eagerly waiting to get the answers. I don't know even what are the perfect answers. Come, let's see through the drama again.
Friend answers, let me go to the hermit who lives in the forest and kindly for his knowledge. I am not satisfied with these answers. Let's move. Go to the hermit.
Okay, Your Highness.
Now it's out to king meet the hermit.
Oh, he was here. I have come to you with hermit to ask you answers. There are three questions. What is the most important time? Who is the most important person? What is the most important business advice? Oh, you are tired as hermit. Let me take the spade and work in your place.
Sure, thanks.
One hour passed.
I am come to you as hermit to get answers to my question. If you can give no answer, tell me so and I will return home.
Here, someone running. Hey, what happened? That was not showing. Okay, continue. I come later.
Oh, I am tired.
Now it is the night time. The king and the bearded man are sleeping.
Now it is the morning time. The bearded man and the king wakes up slowly and have a small conversation between the both.
Oh dear king. Who are you? What happened to you? Who injured you? Dear king, I beg forgive from you. Forgiveness why? You are so kind. You don't know me, but I know you. I am the enemy of yours, the one who had killed in the past and seized his property. Because of this, I saw revenge on you. Because the killer one is my brother. I was waiting to kill you, but you hadn't came. So I came out. But your God injured me, and I fall unconsciously near you. I thought kill you. But your kind of ripped my wound. I alive just because of you. I will be faithful servant until my last breath. Oh, is this the matter? Yes, I will. No. My killer is one your brother. I am so sorry, dear man. Please forgive me, and I will return your property, and I promise. No, king. I tried to kill you, but you saved in my life.
What a kind-hearted
anyone caring for him? Because if you had not visited his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man. And what you did for him, that is the most important business. Remember that. There is only one time that is important time. And that time is now. It is the most important time because we have any power to hack. The most important person is the person you are with at particular moment. The most important business is to do that person good because we are sent into this world for that purpose alone.
Thanks a lot.
It's okay.
Now, Deepika and Yashashwini, did you got answers?
Yes, we got it.
Do you all got the answers? Yes! I got it. The first question's answer is, the most important time is now.
The second question answer is the necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment.
The third question, the most important business or work? The answer, the most important business is to do that good person.
So, you all understand the questions, right?
Yes.
And the answers also.
Yeah.
Now, I think I should thank our whole team and our teachers for giving us this moral, isn't we?
Yeah.
Come on.
ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಾಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಓಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ
Now, I am going to thank all of my friends for giving me this moral and answers for the 3 questions. Thank you, my dear friends.
Thank you.
And I am going to thank my teachers and who are all here spending their precious time to see this drama. I thank all of my dear teachers, especially our English teacher and our Kannada sir for giving us this their precious time for doing this drama. We thank you, sir.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್